Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, September 16th, 2009, 4:47 p.m. Eastern. Oh, baby. What a day. What a day. What another pound day. The pound continuing to get pounded. Euro sterling launching 90. Euro continues to be strong again. Commodity currencies, obviously the key. Gold exploding. Dollar index melting down. Well, we didn't hold the line. And now it looks like we're in meltdown mode, team. I must say, listen, it looks like there's another day of this. Now that we broke through this whole 76.50, it just, the more and more you look at it, I see some support. It's right around 76, but we break through there, and we could seriously be in momentum mode. I mean, absolute Momo. That's about 75.90, actually. And we could be talking about 74.50 easy. And, cable just continues to crush people, really. A lot of people thinking cable's going to play catch up, and I've been avoiding that again with the charts that we've seen. And I think though tonight could be the night. Retail sales coming up big. I think they're going to be better. And you know what? Even if they're worse, I think you still buy on pullback. I still like it. Oh baby. So look at this dollar index. I think we got more to go. And with the S&P like this, listen. If you've been listening to me, I'm not going to buy those S&P puts. I'm saving myself a bloody fortune. I just can't believe this carry trade isn't going, which is the next subject matter. Ooh, euro coming in nicely. We got that short. I'm going to look to buy the pullback, though, for sure. But, boy, oh, my goodness. The decoupling going on in the yen. Hell's going on? Stock market up 50 handles. Dollar yen's down in the last 2 weeks. Nuts. And in my opinion, I've come up with the scenario, reason why this is all happening. And again, I think that the main reason is the fact that they're not there. The BOJ is not there. Bottom line. The new government in place in Japan has basically stopped intervening in the marketplace. And we're seeing for the first time how much they really did intervene. Sick. And I think also part of what they did was they were buying dollar yen and buying stocks with that, right? Converting their yen to dollars and buying S&Ps, which is why it worked so well for so long. And now all of a sudden they're not doing it. Well, at some point, obviously, they're going to do it. And maybe they're just backing off buying U.S. stocks. But I got to tell you, there's a massive decoupling going on. It's been going on for about a month now. Dollar yen just, rolling over from 94, should have been going up to 97 with the stock market doing what it's doing. So anyway, enough of my whole thing. Point is, I think the carry trade's ready to make a big move. The S&P is breaking out today. Major channel line taken out. Gone. Like the wind. I mean, it looks like we're going higher. I mean, we already blew through Goldman Sachs' year-end price target in the S&P. I mean, we're going higher. Unbelievable. Gold continues to explode. To the moon. It's not closed yet, so I'd have to go to, I could show you the 60 hourly chart just to give you an idea. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Yeah. That's strange. Well, 1018 on gold. Oh, I'm right. That was over 1020. But again, the daily chart just gone. As now we took out that total 1011 level. Ooh, to the moon. Now, obviously, this should be support. 10.15. Again, we continue like this. This dollar move looks like it's going to continue. We're going up. Going up. Oil, trying to break out. Still not convinced. Again, we got to break through here, but we take out this whole 74 level. We could really be talking higher in oil. Crude inventory is collapsing today. We ever take out 76, and you go back to that monthly chart that I showed you yesterday. We go back to that monthly chart, and boy, we take this 76 level out. This will be momentum. We could go to 90 in oil. We could definitely go to 90 in oil. Oh, my goodness. So again, looking at this S&P chart, to me, that's a monthly. I mean, look how overbought this is. But you look at the levels, the monthly chart like we did yesterday, and we still coming right up to monster spots. So 1080 to me, you're getting ridiculous. I mean, we're getting close. The next day or two, this market's going to top out so freaking much. In my opinion, the S&Ps are going to test 1,000. Are going to test 1,000. Absolutely. All right, enough of that. Let's get back to foreign exchange. I'm all over the place today. I can't help it. Market's moving a little bit. I'm going to get in my euro short position unscathed. Again, still broken out. This thing is just gone. Obviously, we got to zoom out, and the more we do, listen, this move is real. This I can't fight this move. I got to buy the pullback. If you can't beat them, join them. We get a pullback, you got to get in. We took out the 61.8% retracement. Period. It's gone. I was trying to fight it. It was hovering, right? We were right at it. It's gone. That's it. We're going up. 75% retracement. Whatever you want to use, we're going up. Maybe to 150. And again, listen to my Global FX radio, please. Okay, I go into a little bit more detail about it. I just think we're due for a real melt-up day. I mean, I call this the dribble. I mean, you look at this Euro chart. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough time, but you look at this Euro chart. We've been just dribbling. I mean, we had the big move here, but for the last 6 days, we've just been grinding higher, 250 pips. It's nothing. Come on. We're ready for another explosion, is what it looks like. Dollar yen to me, we got the statement coming out tonight. I think they're going to clarify what they said as far as, Fuji's statement about, allowing the yen to strengthen. I just think that, maybe we bottomed out here, propeller pattern. And, listen, with the stock market so freaking strong, it's time for dollar yen to make a move. And again, this channel line, though, again, we break through here. We might go for 90. Maybe I'm getting faked out again in this pair. And here's the one. El Cable. Oh, do I love it, team. Look. Fibonacci. Bang, bang. Held the 50 twice. Doji. Inside day. This baby, if the dollar index is really going to go, if the dollar index is going to continue to go down, there's got to be a catch-up play in sterling. I freaking love it. Unless we take out even 63.50. Bad number. Maybe we spike down. As long as we really don't take out this low from yesterday. I like it. El Cable. This thing could be due for a 350 pip day. We go right back up to 66.50. Let me tell you something. If this thing does have a big day, don't get in the way of it. Because say hello to my little friend 67.50. That's 300 pips. When's the last time cable had an up day of, a real big move up day? Well, it's coming. I mean, we've had 200 pip moves, but I'm used to sterling having 350 pip moves. 600. Yeah. Maybe in the market last year. Euro sterling continues to explode again. The stock market, the correlation certainly breaking out there. Again, as we said, this baby is gone. Like the wind. Tried to short it today up top. Didn't really work that well. I mean, it's going up. As long as the stock market keeps going up, this thing is going to go up. But again, the harder they come, the harder they fall. This breakout, I'm not buying into it at all. Ridiculous what's going on. Sterling, just a loser. And being held at bay. Euro yen. This is what I'm talking about, people. Euro yen. Take a look. We only got a minute left. But I want to buy the pullback tonight. I think we broke out. You take a look at all these channel lines. We took them out. And we're closing above previous day high. I mean, we made a nice trade. Don't get me wrong. Euro yen was awesome to us. We covered perfect. I got out Euro yen. My last lot, 32.70, but most of them right around the lows. Beautiful. So, it looks like a hanging man. It does, but it's breaking through. It's breaking through this whole downtrend channel line. This whole downtrend channel line is starting to break out of. And, we take out 134 and to the moon. Sterling yen, it looks terrible, but I got to tell you, if retail sales are good, I got a hammer time here. I want to be buying the pullbacks against this little channel low. It makes a new low real quick, and then it's, that's it. Aussie yen also, hopefully I have time. Oh, boy, 4 seconds. Andrew Spanton Global FX Radio, the only voice you'll ever need that loves to make you money. Breaking out, baby.